The storm's coming. We have to go. Keep going! I can't! You have to! Run! My baby! I found it. I found a picture of us.
Oh, God.
It's ruined.
We're gonna get you through this.
Thank you. I don't know where to start.
We have a plan, it's gonna be okay. We've surveyed the area thoroughly.
This position appears to be the most secure.
Excellent.
That's wonderful news.
This is a great site.
Keep it moving. Time is short. Load it up. Next truck's here. Almost done. Push through.
Look at them go! It's gonna be perfect. Look at it, it's perfect. Our future home. Excellent work, gentlemen. The foundation is solid.
The measurements are exact.
We can pour concrete here.
Lifting the form now.
Line it up. Secure that brace. Looks perfect. Watch the beam. Nail it in. Keep it steady. Looking good. Almost there. Tighten that now. Look at it. It's exactly how we pictured it. Feels like home. The conduit is aligned perfectly. The wiring runs smoothly, exactly where we wanted it. Looking great, guys. All right, hot and colder in the bathroom. Drainage is running to the utility room. Crimps are tight, everything looks good. We're ready for inspection. Look at them go! I can't believe how fast they are. All right, everything looks perfect. Look at how smooth that is. It's perfect, ready for paint. Almost there, just a bit more polishing.
Wow, look at that.
Whoa! Incredible, they are so fast. The oak flooring is coming along perfectly. Yes, the texture is beautiful in this light. Ensure the lines are secure. Checking the manifold. Drainage is set, pass me the boards. Waterproofing the floor now. Looking good, let's keep moving. It looks perfect. Great job, guys. The kitchen is finished.
Looking great.
Let's get these hallways. Wow, it's alive.
It's perfect. Wow, it looks amazing.
I know, they did a great job.
They're so fast.
Almost done. The railings look amazing.
And the deck is perfect.
Finally, it's done.
It's beautiful. Wow, look at it.
It's perfect. I can't believe it's finally ours. All right, watch the corner.
Keep it steady.
Almost there, just a bit more.
Yeah.
Perfect, take it in.
I can't believe it. It's perfect. They did an amazing job.
Welcome, we have a small gift for you.
Thank you, we're so excited.
Come on in. The view is absolutely stunning.
I know, look at that.
I love almost there. Just a few more steps. We're so excited for Keep going, just a few more steps. We're almost there.
Ready for the big reveal?
Oh my goodness. Wow, it's incredible.
I can't believe it.
It's ours. Look at the view.
It's beautiful, thank you. Wow, wow.
It's everything. I can't believe this is ours. It's perfect. It's perfect.
I know, it's more beautiful than we imagined.
Oh, honey, look at this.
It's everything we dreamed of.
And the ocean view.
I know, it's perfect. Look what you did.
I can't believe it. It's perfect. Thank you.
For us.
I love you. Thank you all so much.
We couldn't have done it without you.
Congratulations.
I love this. It's perfect.
It's everything we dreamed of.
And the ocean view. I can't wait to be here with the baby.
Look, honey, our perfect view.
Oh, I can't believe this is ours. It's beautiful. We are so proud of what we've built for you. Thank you all so much. This is beautiful.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you, darling. It's perfect.
Perfect.
Looks great.
We did it. Almost.
This feels like home.
Welcome. We're so glad you're here.
Thank you for having us. We brought you a little something.
This is beautiful. Just what we needed. And look at this little outfit. She's going to be so cute. Almost done, my love. It's gonna be perfect.
Look at that view.
It's
It's perfect. Exactly what we wanted. Everything okay?
perfect. Just perfect.
Perfect.
It looks so good, honey.
Almost time.
Good morning, my love. Morning, honey. Keep warm. Welcome home. So beautiful.
Welcome, little one. We're so happy you're here.
Oh,
You're all set, little one.
he's perfect.
Welcome, welcome. It's so great to see you. Look who we brought to meet you.
She's beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you. We're so proud.